Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Trust Wallet for better visibility. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet application. Then after that, enter your passcode. Now, in the home page of Trust Wallet application, just tap the main wallet located at the top section. Then in the wallet interface, click the setting icon located at the top right corner. Now, in here in settings interface, you'll be able to see the dark mode. All you have to do is to enable this. And there you go. The dark mode has already been turned the interface of Trust Wallet. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.